Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I have 4 out of 6 of my babies with me, and they are actually going to help mommy do some makeup. Today is my birthday and I really didn't feel like doing a makeup look, but someone gave me the idea to have my boys pick out some makeup for me. So I am going to quickly introduce each and every one of them, and then we're gonna get on to picking out some makeup. So my oldest over here is Elijah.
Hi.
My second oldest is Tristan.
Hi.
My third oldest, which you guys have seen, he's been in a video with me, is Ethan.
Hello.
And then I have my little one here, who is Emmett, and he has been in a couple of videos. And then of course you guys know my baby is Enzo, and he's been in many videos with me.
Yep.
My oldest is Isaiah. Unfortunately he's not here, he's up in Pennsylvania, but maybe in the future he'll drop in and see, and you guys will see him. So because they are getting a little antsy, let's get on to having them pick out my makeup. So if you're interested in seeing what crazy stuff they pick out and watching me create some kind of look with it, then just sit back, grab a bottle of water, grab a snack, and keep on watching. So here we are in my makeup drawers. See, I have a whole bunch of products in here, and actually you can't really see because I don't have any lighting over here, but I do have a whole bunch of products here, and they're gonna go ahead and go through these drawers here and pick out some items. So here they are, looking through my makeup, trying to figure out what to do.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got 1 eyeshadow palette.
Yeah, that.
2 eyeshadow palettes. Okay.
No, you can't do that.
Yeah, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, because that one is all shimmers, so he can do that one too. And then we still have eyeliner, eye pencils. What else?
Right. Yeah.
Do you get to do your makeup, or you're just doing it?
Yeah,
No,
go
we're
ahead.
the
Yeah,
items
go
that
ahead.
you guys pick.
You can go ahead and book it if the price is right for you. And like I said, just shoot me a text message and be like, hey, I'm booking a room for this weekend. Can you get me that form? And
This is
only
blush,
take,
right?
10 minutes to get the
No,
form
that's
sent.
This blush powder.
Yeah, blush and highlight.
Okay.
Wait, do we pick through these 2 drawers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here. So here they are, looking through my. They gotta look through my eyeliners, my lipsticks.
Red.
See?
I'm doing this kind of red.
Okay.
Hello.
So we got 2 lip colors, and then we
Where are
have
the outliners? The eyeliner.
the liners. I have liners over there, and then I have eyeliners right there.
Let me see this one. Yep, definitely this one. Got this one for number 1.
We have to pick foundation. So foundations are all the ones behind there. Yes. Which foundation you would like me to use?
No, baby.
You want that one? And then okay.
Ooh, I like this.
We'll see.
You're doing all
No, I have to pick out of everything you guys choose. I have to pick which ones
a
I'm
few
gonna
colors.
use.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eyeshadow palette.
I have eyeshadow palettes everywhere.
Yeah, let these.
Let's see. So I got a variety of stuff here.
Already. Don't wait.
Deodorant.
Now go.
Oh, I have to open it. I'm not gonna open it.
Which one?
Can you wear this?
No, that's a face powder. So blushes are right there. Those little round ones. You want this one? Okay. And what else?
This one.
Oh, and you picked a good concealer. Awesome. Alright. What else? Did you get to pick a blush yet? You haven't picked a blush. No, I already got one liner here. That blush? Okay. Got that blush. And then we need one more.
Here's a blush.
No, we got one blush already. We need it. No, that's a bronzer. Oh, we do need a bronzer.
Yes.
Want to do that bronzer?
Yeah, do a bronzer.
Okay.
No.
So I'm back, and as you can see, I did put my brows on. My sons finished picking all of the makeup that they wanted me to try out. So I have a big variety of stuff to look through and pick, but they didn't pick any brow products, so I put my brows on myself. I picked it. So I will actually have all the makeup that I'm using down below in the description box. So let's get into, this is gonna be a really long video. I feel it, I really feel it, but let's get going. So for primer, they didn't pick a primer either, so I'm just gonna use the Benefit Porefessional primer. Now for foundation, they chose 3 foundations. So I think I'm gonna go with, I haven't tried this one in a while, so this is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth, and this is in the color 225 medium buff. So I'm gonna use that as my foundation. Then for concealer, my 2-year-old picked this concealer, which is the Shape Tape, and this is in light medium, so I'm gonna use that. For setting powder, they didn't really know what setting powder was, so I actually just am gonna use the Mercier setting powder. And then as far as blush, so blush and bronzer, one of my sons picked the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in Blissful, and then he also picked the Hoola bronzer. So I don't know if I'm gonna use that, or my other son picked out the Pink Matte Blush and Highlight 4-shade palette from Academy of Color. I haven't opened this one yet, so I might just use this one because this is new. So I think I'm gonna go with that one because I know how these go. Then for liners, they chose, one of my sons chose a glitter liner, and this is in the color, I don't know, oh, rose gold. Then I have this one in white gold, my other son chose, so I don't know about this just yet. We shall see. Then I had, for mascara, my sons chose the e.l.f. mascara, so we're gonna do that. And then they didn't pick an eyeshadow primer because they don't know what that is, and I totally forgot, so I'm gonna just use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Now for lips, I have a variety of lip colors here. So they chose all of these. I've got a red, I've got a like raspberry-ish color, I got a purple with a purple liner, and then I got just a nude buxom lip liner, and then I got this lipstick in nude from Tarte. It's a lipstick and liner duo, so I might just go with this one because this is neutral and not with the bold colors. So yeah. Now as far as eyeshadow palettes, I have a variety of eyeshadow palettes. So they gave me 2 of these small Academy of Color eyeshadow palettes. This is the, I'll do it one at a time, the Prismatic palette. Whoa, this one, which is pretty, and I've done a look with that already. They gave me the bronze palette, which I've done a look with this one as well. They gave me this MAC neutral palette that I have. I haven't played with MAC shadows just yet. My husband got this for me, so I don't know about that one just yet. Then they gave me, one of my sons gave me this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and this one is in Mermaids Forever, and it looks like this. I'm not sure about these. I didn't really like I swatched them and they're alright. And then 2 Beach Cosmetics palettes. I have the Neutral Eyes palette and the Club Tropicana palette. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put both of these together, because these are all shimmers and these have like some satins in it and some mattes. So I'm kind of combine these two together and make an eye look with that. Because with this one, this is all shimmers as well, but I wasn't really, I don't know. I'm gonna try that in another video. So picked out all my makeup and let's get started. Actually, I also forgot, my oldest son decided that I needed to use these lashes, but I'm getting ready for work, so I won't be using lashes today. Okay, so we're gonna start out with our eyes. I'm gonna put the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion on. This is my second time. So now we are gonna go in with our neutrals. So I'm just gonna go in and do an eye look and see where it goes from there. I do have to stay on the neutral side, or at least not go crazy with my makeup. So that's why I kind of went with these 2 palettes. Because I am going to work and I can't do too many outrageous looks for work. Okay, I'm going to cut my crease just because I'm going to put some color on there. And then I am going to go in with this gorgeous, vibrant pink. Let's see. Alright. Let's go on to the other eye. Okay. So let's get a white. So my kids chose glitter liner, but I'm going to go with a black liner because I'm going to work. I did color on the eyes, so we're gonna go with that. We're gonna use the Kat Von D Tattoo liner in Trooper. Okay, so I did my eyeliner off camera because you know it takes me forever to do that. I'm actually gonna curl my lashes and do my mascara also offline, off camera. Now let's move on to the face because it's coming down to that time. And let's go in with our primer. It is pouring in Florida, pouring right now. I'm dreading having to drive in it. Excuse me. I'm actually going to wet my sponge and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm gonna put on my foundation, and unfortunately this doesn't have a pump, which I hate. I have to buy one at MAC, but I'm gonna put it in the back, just a little bit on the back of my wrist, or excuse me, back of my hand, and let's get that going. This is the second time I use this foundation. I bought it because I wanted to see the difference. I like the matte one, but we're gonna try this one today because my sons wanted me to try it again. I'm gonna be doing a video soon on applying makeup with a sponge and applying makeup with a brush. I'm kind of excited to do it. I just bought a foundation brush at Sephora. I know I have 1,000,001 brushes. Why would I go and buy some more? But I really wanted to have a good foundation brush so that I can really know the difference. And I bought a beauty blender versus my beauty sponges. Now let's go in with concealer. All right. I know you're probably like, why did she dot it like that? But that's just the way that I use the Shape Tape. Just because it's such a huge doe foot applicator, I just don't want to crazily add some concealer and then it'd be too much. Did I tell you how much I love this sponge? It gets right under there and it gives you that preciseness. Oh my god, I love it. Gets right into the corners, dark circles. Just love it. Love this sponge. We're just gonna set under our eyes. It does leave me with a luminous glow, this foundation, so okay, we'll just go with it. I'm oily already. Now, my favorite part, we're gonna do our under eye. I actually tight lined with this Tarte Sex Kitten liner. So I'm going to just do my waterline. Under my lash line. And I'm gonna go in with maybe that blue, just purple. And the inside. No, we should do a bright blue. We'll do this blue. Okay, let's go in with our new blush highlights type of, let's see, this is a blush and highlighter palette. Let me see if I have a bronzer in here. I have my Too Faced Sun Bronzer. I'm just gonna use that for right now as a bronzer. And I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's called Spotlight. And it's really pretty. Okay. Now let's go in with highlight. And I'm gonna go with this color here, and it's called Reflect. Okay, and that's done. Now they didn't choose a setting spray either, so I'm just going to use the spray that I had out, which is the Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. Oh my god, I love the mist on this thing. It's so perfect. Actually, I'm gonna go in with that highlight, my inner corners. Just a little bit of oomph in the corner. Let's see. Boom. Alright, now we're keeping it neutral with the lips because we've got so much going on with our eyes. I'm going in with the Tarte, the Lip Architect, and this is in the color Muse. So I'm going to, I guess, line my lips. Okay, and then we're going to go in with the lipstick part. I think this is a little bit too nude. I'm gonna put something on top of it. All right, we are just going to put on the Ultra Satin Lip in Dreamy on top, just because it gives it like a little bit of a color. Still relatively nude. And that completes the look. I changed my clothes because I'm ready to go to work. And I hope you enjoyed watching me put on the makeup that my sons picked out for me and doing some kind of a look with it. I'm actually going to go downstairs and ask them how they like what I created. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching me do this, then please give it a like and give my channel a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I love hanging out with you guys and doing some makeup looks. I appreciate everyone who watches. So this is the reaction of my oldest son.
I love the look so much. It looks like a unicorn. It's really pretty.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it really pretty?
Yes, it's
Was
really
it what
pretty.
you hoped?
Yes.
All right, so this is my second son. How you like the look that mommy created with the makeup?
I really like it. It is very good. It was not actually what I really expected.
Oh, yeah. Well, you guys
really
gave me a lot of options, and you have to remember I'm going to work, so.
Yeah. Please subscribe to my mom.
How you like mommy's makeup? Huh? Do you like it? How do you like mommy's makeup?
I like it pretty good. It looks beautiful. And I like how you did the violet pink and the violet all of your eyes because it looks so pretty.
Thank you. How did you like your mommy's makeup? Huh? Hey, you were crying and now you don't want to cry? Hey. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you beauties all in my next video. Bye.